See Davis over here making a special request, our guitar for Eddie Munson. So we're going to cut it out of our red clay over here to make it the same color. It's going to be really special. So after we get our shape all done, then we're going to cut out that black sticky thing over there to stick it on the end. Then we're going to cut out the shape that goes on the very end. We want to make it just like it, so it's going to be real special. Then we're going to make that little shape on the end, the thing that the strings stick to, because we got to make those little stringy things. Then we're going to put the little white bars that go across on that stick thingy. And then we're going to put it all together so that Eddie can play just for us. And there, we're going to have it all together at the end. And voila! There she is. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like me. Bye-bye.